Welcome to Bad Gastein, a charming spa town nestled amidst the stunning landscapes of the Austrian Alps. Known for its thermal baths and Belle Époque architecture, this idyllic retreat offers a perfect blend of relaxation and natural beauty. Immerse yourself in the healing waters of Bad Gastein's thermal baths, where natural hot springs bubble up from deep within the earth, providing rejuvenation and relaxation for body and soul. Wander through the town streets lined with elegant Belle Époque buildings, adorned with intricate balconies, colorful facades, and ornate details that harken back to a bygone era of luxury and refinement. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the scenic trails that wind their way through the surrounding mountains, offering breathtaking views of alpine meadows, cascading waterfalls, and rugged peaks. In the winter months, Bad Gastein transforms into a snowy paradise, with world-class ski slopes and winter sports activities attracting enthusiasts from around the globe. Discover Bad Gastein's vibrant cultural scene, with art galleries, music festivals, and traditional events showcasing the rich heritage and creative spirit of the region. Whether you're seeking relaxation in the thermal baths, adventure in the mountains, or inspiration in the town's cultural offerings, Bad Gastein invites you to experience the magic of this picturesque spa town nestled amidst the Austrian Alps. Come and discover the charm and tranquility of Bad Gastein.